Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Stuck choosing between the Canon EF-S 55 to 250mm and the Sony 28-70mm F3.5-5.6? It's a tough call. Telephoto reach versus everyday versatility.
That Canon EF-S does promise some serious zoom. I'm picturing crisp shots of birds in flight, but is that extra reach worth the trade-offs?
Absolutely. Think about travel photography. Imagine capturing stunning landscapes and same sod and then zooming in to isolate a detail miles away. Plus, at around $199 renewed, it's a steal.
The Sony 28-70mm at around $226 renewed seems more practical for those grab-and-go moments. A solid all-arounder, right?
Exactly. Let's break down what each lens brings to the table. Okay, so the Canon lens boasts that impressive 55 to 250mm range, equivalent to 88 to 400mm on a full-frame camera. That's serious reach for a crop sensor lens, perfect for wildlife, sports, or even getting candid shots at events without being intrusive.
The Sony lens at 28-70mm is designed for full-frame Sony E-mount cameras. It's a great standard zoom, ideal for portraits, street photography, and landscapes where you want a wider field of view. Think of it as your reliable everyday companion.
Here's where things get interesting though.
With the Canon, that extended reach comes with a smaller maximum aperture of f/4 to 5.6. So in low light, you might be bumping up the ISO or needing a slower shutter speed, potentially leading to blurry images.
True. But it has Canon's optical image stabilizer. That helps counteract camera shake, especially at those longer focal lengths. Plus, it uses STM, stepping motor, autofocus, which is known for being quiet and smooth. Great for video.
The Sony lens also has built-in optical steady shot image stabilization, which is a huge advantage for handheld shooting and video. And while its aperture is f/3.5 to 5.6, that wider 28mm starting point gives you more flexibility in tight spaces. So it really comes down to what you shoot most. Do you prioritize maximum zoom and capturing distant subjects? Or do you value versatility, image stabilization, and a more compact size?
If you're primarily shooting subjects far away and don't mind the slightly larger size and potential need for a tripod in low light, the Canon lens is a fantastic, budget-friendly telephoto option.
But if you want a lightweight, versatile lens that's great for a variety of situations and offers excellent image stabilization, the Sony lens is a solid choice, especially for full-frame Sony users.
Both are excellent lenses in their own right, so choose the one that best aligns with your photographic needs and style. Now get out there and capture some incredible images. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.